Hello everyone. In this video, we'll bring you interesting things other than Chinese themes. Beautiful, always-on displays. Live Wallpaper Shark-chan, assistant of Black Shark devices. These always-on displays can work on any Xiaomi device. Includes many different styles, helping you customize your device more interestingly. Let's bring it to your phone. In this always-on display package, includes 15 themes. Gundam style. With beautiful and equally interesting animation effects. First, install Shark-chan Assistant Live Wallpaper. My device returned to default theme now. Open Play Store, then install this application. Don't open this application. Exit to home screen and find icon of app. Press and hold icon app. Select app info. Permissions. Other permissions. Change Dynamic Wallpaper Services permission to always allow. After that, exit and download file in video description. After downloaded, open Live Wallpaper application, app show on device with name Reboot. Select image and choose Live Wallpaper downloaded. Set wallpaper on home screen and lock screen. Next, install always-on display themes. After installed, you have 15 always-on display themes in this. On other device, I removed all always-on display theme, and I will reinstall it now. Follow me to bring these fun things to your device. First, open Settings app, My Device, then go to Backup and Restore Features. Uncheck all. Select Always on Display App Data to create backup. Finish and exit to home screen. Backup of Always on Display data created on your phone. Next, download my backup file in video description. After downloaded file, press and hold file, more than select copy or move file. Copy file to the path. Select latest backup folder, sort by time modified. Be careful. This is original backup file, always on display of your phone. Copy to another folder for storage if you want to keep your themes always on display, or you can replace if you don't need it. If there is no replace option, rename the downloaded file to the same name as the original file on your phone, and try again. After replaced file, return to Backup and Restore Features. Restore tab. Then select latest backup data to restore. Finish and go to Always on Display to check. All appeared here. Always-on styles have beautiful animations, but consume very little battery. Choose depending on the style you like. So I shared with you how to set Shark Chan Assistant Live Wallpaper and always on display themes with interesting animations. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel to support me. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.